Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 1000. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 1000 with 2,500 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, a quick shifter, and cruise control. It's been upgraded with an M4 exhaust, domino grips, ASV levers, Evotech frame sliders, front and rear axle sliders, an exhaust bracket, passenger peg walk, off guards, Grave swing arm spools, brake reservoir, lever guards, Pro Bolt oil fuel cap, Vortex sprockets, an NRC rear fender eliminator kit, Samco sport coolant and hoses, a zero-gravity tinted windshield, an aftermarket seat, a fuel cap, anodized blue hardware, a carbon fiber front fender, carbon fiber upper fairing inserts, carbon fiber chain guard, and a carbon fiber rear splash guard. Powered by a 998cc inline four-cylinder engine, the Ninja puts 196 horsepower and 84 foot-pounds of torque through the 6-speed transmission. With a 4.5-gallon fuel capacity, the Ninja has a 140 to 170-mile range. It has a 32.9-inch seat height and a 456-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Ninja will need rear turn signals with sufficient visibility. In New York, this is not a problem. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and both tires at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the cruise control is inoperable. The aftermarket modification impact owners report that installed ASV levers, Vortex rear sets, Spielberg ABS brake lines, or removing the exhaust servo can disrupt cruise control. The brake lever geometry or plunger preload can cause the front master cylinder to register slight brake pressure, which the ECU interprets as a brake-on condition and disables cruise control. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has a toolkit, 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days for 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the Program and Warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.